Here I have Motorola Moto G54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you can go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So basically just by tapping on it you can switch your hotspot. By holding down your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like you can change its name, you can change its, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can set your device to be hidden, you can change security protocol, you can change password, you can extend its compatibility, you can manage devices, like you can add devices to allowed whitelist, you can set up a maximum amount of allowed connections. There's also a timeout setting. I suggest you to use these 5 minutes to save battery. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.